My idea of FOMO is if there's a really good sunrise, I want to be out there and experiencing it. My name is Bugsy, and this morning was my 744th consecutive sunrise of the greatest lake in the world, Lake Superior. It started as a New Year's resolution. And I was kind of thinking maybe it's time to start a new tradition. So I was just thinking, well, let's just photograph every one this year. And then I haven't stopped. I begin each morning photographing the sunrise and starting each day with nature. I've set that time aside in the morning, my time to go inward, my time to be with myself, which allows me to be more present. And if it is a stressful, demanding day, I can look forward to tomorrow saying, I have that space in the morning and I'm going to do that. I like to be silent and quiet in nature. I love the feel of the wind on my face and the sound. It is my most present time of day. I'm never stressed at sunrise. This time of year, you have to go through a lot of cloudy, gloomy sunrises to get to the good ones. But the sun still rises. Even if we don't see it, it doesn't matter how cloudy the day is. It's back there. The sun will shine on our faces once again. It's very nice to wake up and see blue skies in every direction. It is very, very rewarding to share those sunrises and have other people share how it uplifted them, how it encouraged them to go chase the sun. But there are days I'm not motivated, and it seems so daunting. It seems so big. But then if we look at our past accomplishments, and I was like, well, I just did this for 2 years. And in hindsight, it doesn't feel difficult at all. I was like, oh, that was a breeze. But I think the hurdles we put in front of ourselves always seem a lot larger than they actually are. For all of us, everyone across the world, there's a new day every day. We all have a sunrise, and we get that chance to restart every day. And that no matter how bad yesterday was, we get to start today off anew and enjoy the view.